Hi everybody, hopefully you guys are doing fantastic. Let me pause this music real quick. So today we were actually stopping at my buddy Travis's house, which you guys have seen him before on the channel. It's at LLY. We were tearing the heads off and getting them all prepped and ready to go back on. As far as I know, the truck is done and running. I'm actually dropping him off some of the Duramax diesel cups that he ordered, and we just couldn't get to his address or something. Luckily he lives close to me, so I just had him shipped to my house and we're gonna go drop him off to him. But as far as I know, the truck should be done with the Ryan's Diesel Service 64 mil turbo in it, and hopefully maybe we'll be able to hear it run and give me some inspiration to get this truck built. So we get a lot of things coming, the built trans, probably some custom track bars, a few mock-up things, and then you know, maybe a whole HSP kit if we can get on board with them. So we'll see. Today's a busy day. We're actually gonna probably break this into 2 different videos, but we're gonna go hang out with him for a little bit. And then I got something special, which if you guys wanna see, make sure to stay tuned for the next video. Cause yeah, it's gonna be a good one, definitely. So we're about to roll up to his place and yeah, we'll see what he's got. Alrighty guys, so like I said, we're meeting back up with Travis, which he has the truck all done. So pretty much run me through. You did manifolds?
I did AFE manifolds. I've got pretty much AFE everything. I did. I want to do as much carb compliant as I could. As you can tell, I got all my carb stickers here.
All the
taken up.
California friendly stuff. So anyways, yeah, like AFE power, you got AFE pipes, you got AFE manifolds too, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, and then it's got the turbo mouth inlet.
Is that AFE?
AFE as well, yeah.
And then I see this, I didn't see this before, the HSP.
This one came in, so
I like that. I need to do this.
Yeah, it's so simple.
Yeah, I need to do this, so. But yeah, Ryan's Diesel Service 64 mil, right? 64. You're running the exhaust too, right?
It's got a 3-inch PPE downpipe, and it's got a 4-inch back. It's got a muffler on it right now.
Yeah, which still doesn't even sound that bad.
No, yeah, it sounds good.
I mean, you can definitely tell it's a little bit quieter, but still sounds pretty good. Sounds good. It sounds good even with a muffler. It's obviously not as loud, but probably for the better living in here.
Yeah, just for now. I don't have a muffler on it. It just,
yeah,
long trip towing. Just okay with it. Yeah, so it's got a little here where it pops off. A little bit more air in there.
Oh, no shit. So, this is for when you pull your headlight out to go drag racing.
Yeah.
Look at that. They were thinking ahead on that one. But yeah, so what? When did we leave off? I think we got the bolt out, the broken bolt, and then
yeah, the broken head stud came out. We did the air key head studs, you know, to replace those, obviously.
Yeah, but you finished everything, right? And then,
yeah, for the most part.
And then did I do the valves too? Yeah,
you came back to help me get the heads on, and then we ran the valves. And I got the new push rods.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. So I did put the heads on.
Yeah,
I couldn't remember.
Yep.
But yeah, so we pretty much wrapped it up. He did all the bullshit on top that no one likes to deal with anyways, so I left that to him without coming back to help. And it looks good. Everything's good. It sounds good. It's solid. I mean, how many miles have you put on so far?
I've got about 1,100 on it.
1,100 miles already, so everything's going good.
Oil change, so I ran it for 900, and I did my oil change, and it's good.
Everything's solid, so. Yep. There's that new valve cover after we may have broken one pulling those injectors out, but
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, who knows. But anyways, this thing's, I mean, it's honestly pretty clean considering that it came from Vermont, right? It was Vermont or
Mass or New Hampshire. I bought
Mass,
it in
New Hampshire,
but
yeah.
I think it was bought out of Mass.
The frame's a little, but as far as cab corners and rockers, this thing is way cleaner than my other truck.
The only spot of rust on the cab itself is up by the windshield. It's causing the windshield to
yeah. Yeah, so I mean, oh yeah, you did the air dog. Nice. And you did a sump too, right?
Yeah.
So sump. It's looking good, and he's actually getting the, we worked out a little bit of a crack deal, so he's actually getting the wheels and tires that were on the red truck, the 17, they're race lines, 17-inch race lines. I think they were 17x9s. Pretty standard for your like off-roadish, kind of normal looking truck when you're not trying to be a hot flashy boy with stupid wheels that don't do anything and you curb the shit out of your rims, and you know,
you
so
that dirt hill pretty impressively.
Right, that dirt hill. Yeah, I was in 4-wheel drive, but
still, I was impressed.
That's a steep hill too. Yeah. So, hey, street tires can do it all right? Trust me. But yeah, dude, I know some dude that had he had a compound turbo 6.7 Cummins and fully built motor, like fucking everything, and he was at like 1,700 horse, and he did sled pulling on these, on 420s, and he fucking got a full pull. It just shows power can do just about anything with good 4-wheel drive, but wheel speed, you know. But I think that's gonna do it for today, guys. I got some other stuff to go take care of. I just wanted to give you guys a wrap up on this truck and show you that everything's running, everything is all back how it belongs, and one happy person. So definitely a good thing. If you guys enjoyed this short little video, drop a thumbs up on it. If you're new here, please subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you later. Make sure to check out the next video. We got some cool stuff coming. I'm out.